Welcome back MH Car Review, and today we have something absolutely mind-blowing for you. What you are looking at right now is not just a vehicle. This is a rolling palace on wheels. This is the Rolls-Royce concept motorhome of 2026, and trust me when I say this thing is going to leave your jaw on the floor. So without wasting any more time, let us get straight into this beast and break down everything from the exterior to the interior to the performance and of course the price. Let us go. Starting with the exterior, and oh my goodness, where do we even begin? The first thing that grabs your attention is that deep rich crimson red paint finish. It is not just red, my friends. This is a multi-layer custom lacquer that Rolls-Royce has been perfecting for over a century, and on this massive frame it looks absolutely royal. The sheer size of this vehicle is something you need to see in person to truly appreciate. We are talking about a double-decker layout here, which means this thing rises high above everything else on the road. Now look at those gold accents running all the way from the front grille to the rear of the vehicle. Those chrome gold strips are not just decorative. They are precision machined and hand-polished by Rolls-Royce craftsmen. The iconic Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament sits proudly at the front, reminding everyone exactly who made this machine. The front grille itself has been reimagined in a more futuristic and aggressive style while still maintaining that signature Rolls-Royce upright presence that commands respect wherever it goes. The lighting on this vehicle is absolutely spectacular. Full LED matrix headlights at the front give it that modern sharp look, while ambient accent lighting runs underneath the body panels, giving it an almost floating appearance at night. The blacked-out multi-spoke wheels are enormous, and they look absolutely perfect against that red and gold color scheme. 6 massive wheels with low-profile performance tires complete the stance and make this vehicle look like it means serious business on the road. Now let us move inside, and this is where things get truly extraordinary. The moment you step inside this Rolls-Royce motorhome, you are entering a world that most people only dream about. Think of the finest 5-star hotel suite you have ever seen and then double it. The interior is finished in the softest hand-stitched leather available anywhere in the world. Every single surface you touch tells a story of craftsmanship and attention to detail. The main living area on the lower level features a custom lounge setup with fully reclining seats that can be transformed into beds. There is a private dining area with a table that can seat up to 4 passengers comfortably. The cabinetry is finished in genuine dark walnut wood with gold inlay trim throughout. The ceiling features a starlight headliner with hundreds of tiny LED fiber optic lights that recreate a night sky above your head as you travel. Moving to the upper deck, and this is where the real magic happens. The upper level houses the master sleeping suite with a king-size bed that offers panoramic views through those massive wraparound windows you saw on the exterior. Waking up in this bed while traveling through countryside or mountains must be an experience unlike anything else in the world. The bathroom suite features Italian marble finishes, a rain shower, and gold-plated fixtures throughout. There is a state-of-the-art entertainment system embedded into the walls with screens that can be hidden away completely when not in use. The climate control system is individually adjustable for every zone in the vehicle. Now let us talk performance, because this is not just a pretty face. Under the bonnet, Rolls-Royce has fitted a twin turbocharged V12 engine producing somewhere in the region of 600 horsepower. Now considering the size and weight of this vehicle, that is an impressive figure. The engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that delivers power smoothly and effortlessly. The air suspension system on this beast is absolutely world-class. Despite weighing several tons when fully loaded, the ride quality inside is whisper quiet and perfectly smooth. You genuinely forget you are moving sometimes. The 6-wheel configuration also provides exceptional stability, especially at motorway speeds, and the advanced braking system ensures you can bring all of this safely to a stop when needed. There is also expected to be a hybrid powertrain option available for those buyers who want to reduce their environmental impact without sacrificing any of the luxury or performance that this vehicle delivers. Now the question everyone has been asking. What does something like this actually cost? Well, as you would expect from Rolls-Royce, this is not something you walk into a showroom and pick up off the shelf. This vehicle is strictly bespoke and built entirely to the specification of the customer. Estimates from automotive industry sources suggest the starting price for a Rolls-Royce motorhome of this specification would begin at around $3 to $4 million US. And that is just the starting point. By the time a buyer adds their personal customizations, preferred materials, unique color combinations and additional technology packages, that figure could easily climb well beyond $5 million. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the most luxurious and extraordinary road vehicle of 2026. The Rolls-Royce concept motorhome is truly in a class of its own. If you enjoyed today's review, please smash that like button, subscribe to MH Car Review and hit the bell notification so you never miss a single video. We will see you in the next one.